Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the Maltese's favorite foods in Heartopia. So if you go to the forest island, you're able to feed them food. Their favorite foods are grilled mushroom and meat, as well as I think the dog food. So let's just feed them. And then you can see it in the animal catalog as well. Yeah, it is the dog food, the meat, and the grilled mushroom. And it is their favorite food. So make sure you feed them every single day to unlock some stuff with them. Bond level 3, you'll get these items. So yeah, that is it. You can interact with them, sorry, in the island too. I'm trying to find where the dogs are. Oh, here it is. Here's one. Oh my gosh, so cute. Hello. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!